Don't want to cover up your beautiful, sleek new iPhone with a thick case? I finally found a thin, clear case that's not too slippery for my new iPhone 12. Let's check it out. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. In today's video, I'll compare the Apple iPhone silicone case that I've used on all my iPhones for years to Apple's own clear case and a much cheaper clear case I found, which can finally replace the silicone case for me this year. There's so many iPhone cases out there. However, I've always loved the texture and the feel of the iPhone silicone case for my iPhones. It has raised edges to protect the screen when I put the phone down. The silicone material makes the phone much easier to hold on to for me, and I need it. It offers protection without adding too much bulk. The only thing I don't like about the silicone case is how it covers up the beautiful phone. Oh, and it costs quite a bit too, at $40, $50. With each new generation of phones, I try so hard to switch over from the silicone case to a clear case, so I don't need to cover up this beautiful product. However, the clear case I've tried are just too slippery, even if they fit well and don't have much bulk. So here I am this year again, trying various clear cases to see if I can find one that works well for me. Today I have Apple's new MagSafe clear case and a clear case from ESR I found on Amazon. Let's look at the Apple clear case first. It's made of a good solid clear plastic as before. It fits well, of course, on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. The front edges are raised to protect the screen, the cutouts are precise and the buttons have a good feel to them. Something different from the silicone case is Apple's clear case doesn't cover up the bottom of the phone. In the back, there is a raised edge around the camera module for good protection. Something new this year is this big white circle and a short line to support MagSafe. In all honesty, I'm not a big fan of this look at all. Unfortunately, if I want to use the new MagSafe charger or accessories like the new MagSafe wallet, I'm stuck with this circle and line on a clear case. No matter, this year's clear case is too slippery for me anyway. Now this ESR Clear Case. It's a softer and thinner plastic than the Apple clear case, just about 1 millimeter thick. It fits the iPhone well and has raised edges to protect the screen. There are these bubbles inside the corners for a little corner protection. The cutouts are also precise, including the lightning port and the speaker holes on the bottom. In the back, there's a thick raised edge around to protect the camera module. This particular case has glitter sprinkled inside and little dot patterns so that the clear case doesn't stick to the back of the iPhone unevenly with wet marks. There are these rainbow bands though if you look at it from a flatter angle. The Apple clear case is much nicer and clear in this regard. What I really like about this clear case though is it's not as slippery as other clear cases. Together with the straight edges of the new iPhone 12, it's finally grippy enough for me. The only catch is it doesn't have additional magnets like the Apple MagSafe cases. Wireless charging still works though with this case, and even with the MagSafe charger. It just doesn't stick to the charger much. Since I'm not a big fan of the new MagSafe charger, which is another story, I'm okay giving it up with this case, at least until more useful MagSafe accessories come along. For now, I'm just excited to finally found a clear case that's not too slippery for me to hold. It offers some protection without being too bulky, and doesn't cover up this beautiful new phone. At only $12 US, it's much cheaper than the Apple silicone case. I hope it'll hold up and won't yellow too quickly. If it does, I'll update in the description below to let you know. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button and share it. What cases do you use on your new iPhones? I'd love to know in the comments below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.